YouTube channel. We're here today, it's a sunny Sunday in October, which means we're at the Bicester Scramble, the last scramble of 2025. We're just arriving in the Subaru. We've had a lovely spirited drive to get here across the glorious countryside. We're just parking up here in the Avenues. We're next to a rather tasty Lancia Delta Integrale owner, Mr. Chris Harris. That's quite cool. We'll have a closer look at that shortly. Had a good chat with Chris there about the Integrale. He's very proud of this new car that's here today, completely retrimmed, lovely interior. We'll have a closer look at the interior shortly. General look round Bicester now, around the site, see what cars we can find that are of interest to us on this channel. So let's have a look round. got a 1963 ex Paddy Hopkirk Mini Cooper here, offered at, I think it was 260,000 quid. Wow. Yeah, 260. There you go, if you want one in your collection, that's what it's going to cost you.
Like rebranding. Yeah.
They do have like
Lunch is connected to the city. Yeah. You know, you get to the lunch.
Sales agent in Bicester here. We've got a company called Broad Arrow that have got a range of cars for sale. Interesting setup, lovely garage. Let's have a closer look. So one of the features of this year's October Scramble is 50 years of the Lotus Esprit. So they've assembled quite a collection of Esprits here. Let's have a look round now, the 50-year collection. That's it from Bicester today on the last Scramble of 2025. Hope you've enjoyed looking around the different cars on show. Too many to feature every car, but hopefully we've given you a quick flavour of some of the nice cars that we like on this channel. We're off now, so take care. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. We've got more events coming soon and a couple of rallies and rally events before the end of the year. So keep chasing cars and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.